Okay, welcome guys to today's lesson, and I'll take you through latitude and longitude, a question of KCSE 2006, paper 2, number 16. The question says two places, P and Q, are at 36 degrees north, 125 degrees west, and 36 degrees north, 55 degrees east, respectively. Calculate the distance in nautical miles. The distance in nautical miles between point P and Q. Measure along the great circle through the North Pole. So, first step, we can draw the globe here, which will help us to find the distance. So, it looks like this. This is the North Pole and this is the equator. So, yeah, we are told that point P is at 36 degrees north. 36, let's say 36 degrees is here, 36 degrees north, and 125 degrees west to the west, like this. Yeah, this is 125 degrees to the west. Here you can get the point P, and we are given that place Q is at 36 degrees on the same latitude of 36 degrees at the north, and 55 degrees to the east. So to the east, from the hemisphere to the east, like this, .55 degrees east. We are to find the distance in nautical miles between point P and Q. Measure along a great circle. So this is in great circles. We must move from, let's say, from P through the equator like this, and then come to point Q, because it is along a great circle. So first step, we shall come up with an arc length here, a sector from here to the center, here, as like this. So we are looking for the distance, the arc length from P to Q, and the formula of finding an arc length is theta all over 360 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius 6370. Our theta will be, we are given here as 36. So if here is 36 and then here also it must be 36 degrees, and here then 36 degrees. So we shall find this distance, this angle here, which we must take 180 minus 236, which will give us 108 degrees. And then we can come up and substitute from this formula. But sorry, we are told to find the distance in nautical miles. Nautical miles? No. Okay, we can continue with this formula. So our theta is 108 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 22 out of 7 multiplied by 6370. Can use a calculator to find the answer. 108 divided by 360 multiply by 2 multiply by 22 out of 7 multiply by the radius 6370, which give us 12,012. So our final answer is 12,012 kilometers. And then we have another formula of finding the distance in nautical miles. The formula is like this: distance is equal to 60 nautical miles multiplied by the theta. So it will be 60 multiplied by 108, and you get your final answer 108 multiplied by 60, which will give you 6480 nautical miles. 6480 nautical miles. Thank you for joining our lessons, and I think you have get something that will help you. So have a good day.